Main counsel is on his legs in court 11, my lords. Oh, my lords, I filed my counter yesterday
Lords-
itself in this.
Uh,
Maybe not on
Lords,
record.
on the last,
Pursuant to my lord's order,
You are for the,
I appear for the state, my lords.
who is for the respondent? Number two?
I am there.
my lord, I am for the respondent. I am for the respondent number
counter?
2, my lord.
Lords, I am for the.
I'll seek time for
petitioner.
filing counter, my
So
lord.
we are concerned
My
more
lord, I
with
may
your
permitted
counter.
to file
I'll
counter
go
affidavit,
to my
my lord.
This is the second FIR by you,
My lord, I'll be
One
filing
FIR he was
I'll be
released
filing my
earlier.
counter, my lord. I'll be filing my counter.
and see, he is harassing you.
My lord, I'll
According
be
to
filing
My
my
lords,
counter.
I am for the petitioner. My lords, on the last.
Have you seen the
day,
pen drive, that video which was submitted?
My lords, it's not submitted to us, my lords.
No.
I'll call for it also.
Must be in touch with the IO.
I'll call it, my lords.
My lord,
Because my lords had considered on the last time the
Because what
age.
the High Court also says that
Please.
respondent produced a pen drive containing video recording in which
Please,
petitioner was seen performing vulgar act. And
activities. Please, my lords.
because if that is found true, probably we may not make absolutely interim order.
I can bring that in a sealed cover as well, and I'll myself also look into it. If
See, ladies are staying in
yes,
the
my
house.
lords. Even on the
Oh.
last occasion, my lords, the only thing what persuaded my lords was the age of the petitioner. Otherwise, my lords,
My lords, there is nothing as such.
But
My lord
you
had
are behaving,
completely gone
as
through
in
the-
an appropriate manner.
1 week
I'll file my counter along. I'll bring it, my lord.
you want.
My lord, 2 weeks, my lord.
Post,
1 or 2 weeks.
Lawrence,
taking
for
4 weeks.
respondent number 2 is allowed 2 weeks time to file counter. Post on 9th March.
Would my lords want me to bring the pen
interim,
drive?
my lords, interim,
Would my
to
lords want me
continue.
to bring the pen drive? I'll update.
Make a statement, we'll believe you.
Very
My lord.
obliged, my lords.
my lords, interim to continue.
Interim to continue.
Much obliged, my lords.
Lordship, my counsel is on his legs in another court. I request a short passover.
Pass over.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes. Because of the impression.
I know, I say, maybe I say that. Whenever I have to say.
21, yes. Pass over.
Notify किया हम
हाँ नोटिफाई कर
notify कर दिया
क्यों चेक ना नोटिफाई कर दिया ना सीक्वेंस
22 is a regular bail application.
यस
There's a suicide note that is found 12 days after the actual body is found. It is
You are
found.
called Patwari.
I am a Patwari.
Patwari.
I was outside as 250 kilometers away on the date of the incident. Because my wife,
but
The-
you
the-
subjected her to cruelty a day before.
because there's an oral statement made by the family members
Yes,
of the
one
wife.
will be there. Who
I bowed down.
records the statement?
So two things of note, madam. I am not at the spot at the time when the incident takes place. I am at a place 250
Need not
kilometers.
be on the spot.
I bow down. The body is recovered on the date of the incident on 2nd of June. A suicide note finds its recovery on 14th of June. And that suicide note, Millards, is,
Is that what?
It's
PDF
there.
95 is it?
please, Millards, straight away.
116.
94, which is the English translation, 95 is the original Hindi.
Annexure?
This is Annexure Piece 7. Annexure P7. It's also extracted, my lords, in one of the orders passed by the Honorable High Court. If your lordships have page 260, there's a typed version at paragraph 8. हम बहुत मजबूर हैं.
You married me for the property. That is the statement.
That's the allegation, Millards, and may I say this? This particular thing is in a
Yes, sir.
photocopy situation. 21 witnesses cited, 1 witness has been examined, Millards, still today. I have been arrested in June of 24. I continue to be in custody, Millards, and I was actually not even there. So that, and may I say this? I have placed records to indicate that she was having detailed conversations with somebody else who's an ex-friend of hers. So those call detail records are available. All of that was placed. There's an alternate theory, because I'll face that trial.
Ligature also is upward point.
That's right.
Notice.
I'm obliged.
Available in 4 weeks.
I'm obliged.
Anyway, It can be unnatural.
well, it's an anticipatory bail.
The point soon before is the main point.
The case of anticipatory bail, Malaj, all the accused person in both the FIs, the case of cross affair, Malaj, they are on bail, Malaj. In both the FIs, Malaj, 6 accused person from the other side, they are on anticipatory bail granted by the London Sessions Court, Malaj.
Anticipatory bail 307,
Malaj,
injuries on head.
Malaj, I even petition is the person who has sustained the injury on head, Malaj, and there are several other injuries also. Even from my side,
Injury number 35.
yes, Malaj. If Malaj can,
Means there is at least minimum 35.
yes, Malaj. If Malaj kindly have page number 51 for a moment, that is my injury report. Even I have sustained so many injuries. My head was, Malaj, 5 centimeter cut was there on my head, Malaj. And all the accused person in both the,
And apply for regular bail, not a case for anticipatory.
then Malaj, kindly protect me for some time because all
No,
the
no, no
all the
protection.
accused persons
No,
are
no
on bail, Malaj.
protection.
Malaj, it's a matter arising out of the land dispute.
About
Malaj.
liberty is resolved to surrender and apply for regular bail.
Land
which shall
dispute
be
doesn't mean you
decided-
can go and hit somebody.
It shall be
Malaj,
decided.
grant me 4 weeks. I'll
Yes. Next.
oblige.
So,
If it's a regular bail, Lordship, the offence is under POCSO Act.
evidence one after another.
Lordship, he's an auto rickshaw driver. He is from the lower strata. If he is under the
Everything in the auto rickshaw itself.
At 53 years of age.
52 years of your Lordship.
And she's 13 only.
Because our main contention is he has been
Be-
falsely implicated. If he's under jail, he may not
Aunt
be
is
able
your
to
friend.
contest.
And she is helping you. But not at this, it's very difficult.
150 days, he has been in custody.
Since 13th September 25. Only 5 months.
Not at this stage. You withdraw and move later.
Not at this stage.
Permit me to withdraw the
Current counsel for the petitioner is permitted to withdraw the SLP, which liberty
First, may I request-
for the trial court at an appropriate stage.
Oblige.
Yes,
May I seek permission to hand over my appearance memo?
I will physical appearance. Yes,
May it please, my lord.
yes.
This is in somewhere in 1928. The lease was given to my lord Jalaluddin, and there was a decree.
बढ़िया स्टॉक तो मिल गया लेकिन कैपिटल वो कम है। अब क्या करें? सिंपल, यूज करो धन का मार्जिन ट्रेडिंग फैसिलिटी यानी MTF। इसमें आपको मिलता है 4x तक का लीवरेज ऑन 1700 प्लस स्टॉक्स। मतलब आपको सिर्फ 25% मार्जिन पे करना है एंड बाकी फंडिंग आपको धन देगा। द इंटरेस्ट रेट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 12.49% पर एनम। इतना ही नहीं, आप अपना पोर्टफोलियो धन पे प्लेज कर सकते हो फॉर इंस्टेंट मार्जिन। मतलब कम कैपिटल, बड़ा पोजीशन एंड मोर बाइंग पावर। Go try MTF on Dhan today.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
And the decree is concurrent by trial court and first appellate court. Now read the substantial question of law.
The state government and the state would have been a necessary
What is
party.
this? What is this?
For 2 reasons, my lord.
What is this?
They-
And then see para 15 of the High Court order. Your admission about his ownership. He is enjoying a Najul Patta. In
that's
Najul Patta, you will say it's a government property. Dismissed.
My lord, this was the case
Yes.
where the High Court, my lord, only
Otherwise, to clear, actually, was an error on that. Mr. Vashish, earlier, you won't be res judicata. It was an error which was
My
correct.
lord, annexure A5, if your lordships may kindly peruse, there was a finding of my lord that there is relationship is highly in doubt. And my lord, that finding has not,
Admit that they were related to Gopinath and there is a partition.
Yes, yes.
that's right, my lord. But there is again, my lord, a question, a serious question which has been casted on the partition deed itself. And that has been recorded, my lord, if your lordships may see from para 18 and 19 of annexure P5.
Here the other side. You will issue notice.
Lordship, please.
Could your lordship?
Only
I'm
this-
appearing. On TV.
Here you file counter.
Lord, my respectful submission is that all this has been considered in the original eviction order of 5th of March 2019, paragraph 11.1.
For some time.
I'm sorry, my lord.
You satisfy us
Yeah,
that
your
the
lordship.
earlier order
Your lordship.
on a typographical error only and it won't be res judicata.
But that is noted in the impugned order.
You want to,
As my lord, please.
It's
As
4 weeks.
leave to defend is denied, no?
Yes,
the leave to defend was denied thereafter.
then reviewed.
So we must be
And
satisfied.
then 19, my lord, the original eviction order came to be passed in my favor.
19.
And thereafter it was reviewed in 19 itself. And thereafter, my lord, the matter remained pending in the High Court for 6 years, my lord.
Of the presiding officer, it was reviewed.
That's right, my lord. That's also. Plus, I was only respectfully urging, my lord,
Notice- issue
that they've
notice to
been,
the-
my lord, they've been sitting in the property for the last 100 years.
Accepts notice. Appears and waives notice. Para.
My lord,
Let counter affidavit be filed in 4 weeks. Post on 24th March.
Lordship, please. My lord, till then, because they have filed the execution also.
In the meanwhile, petitioner shall not be dispossessed
Lordship,
from the
obliged. Great.
premises, from the
Your AOR goes by the same name?
Yes, my lord.
We were also wondering. The only difference is A. Vishishta and Vishishta.
Vashish is a senior. AOR also coincidentally is the same.
any specific.
I thought you will accept brief only if the AOR name tallies.
Who is benefited, you or you?
Both.
If I would read a judgment, my lords, I would congratulate both of them. Then one of them would message to say that it's not me, it's the other money.
And that was the reason, my lord, 2007, we met, my lord, only because of our names being common and somebody calling me and wanted to speak to him.
There's a new movie coming in where Paresh Rawal is playing double role.
Very good. Solid acrobat.
Obliged, my lord. Grateful.
Hilarious. Double role.
Yeah.
I should have given permission to serve the SG. I have served the magistrate office.
Which item?
I have served to the SG magistrate.
Hmm.
Last date.
Which item is
There is no any response. Reply not filed, magistrate.
Contempt. no?
Contempt.
Magistrate.
Online forms is not accepted.
Magistrate, actually, yeah.
Have you served them?
Yes, yeah, I already served.
Name is appearing?
Vikramjit Banerjee was asked.
Yes,
Yes, I served, magistrate. Office report also, magistrate.
You have informed him. He knows it about the listing today.
Circulate and call him at 2 so that.
तो सर्कुलेट कर दो
Name,
भाई
name, name.
नहीं कर दो नहीं
Banerjee.
विक्रम जी
Hello,
Let's see.
hello.
Yes.
Sorry. Is appearing. Chandrasekhar is appearing. Chandrasekhar. Just unmute.
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, the High Court, the only ground why they denied granting specific relief is, my lord, they said this is the only source of land and but again, immediately after the impugned order, he has again entered into an agreement of sale for selling the property, my lord. Very
Where is
same.
that?
Out
Where is
of
that?
10 lakhs, out of 10 lakhs,
Correct. Exactly.
total.
You are
total
getting it along with 12%.
Nobody
My
would have
lord.
given you in the bank.
My lord, 12, I am ready to pay more also, my lord. But out of 10 lakhs, 86,000, substantial amount, 90%, 9 lakhs are already paid on the.
That is why it creates, the antenna goes
When
up
the-
that it is a money lending
When the
transaction.
entire amount, almost entire is paid and there is no sell it instantly, that means there is something fishy.
No, my lord. Actually, now again he has entered into an agreement of sale. Immediately after the impugned order, he assured me that some documents were required. Some documents were required for agreement of sale. He said he'll make the documents
you.
ready. My lord.
Thank
My
you,
lord,
rightly refunded all.
My lord, I'll produce the recent agreement of sale, my lord. Please see
That
after
will not help
immediately after
you. In this case,
Please,
that
Lord.
evidence is for another transaction. That will not be an evidence in this matter.
But
But
Chandrasekhar,
immediately after the
once
impugned
it is
order,
concurrently done, we
Yes.
should not.
This
my lord, immediately, I am ready to pay more also. Shipmate can record my submission, my lord. I am ready to pay more.
You
whatever
approach
your
him
lordship-
that if you can sell it to some other person, what the other person is giving now, you will pay more than what the other person is giving him. Yes,
My lord,
next.
It's an item 15. It's now ultimately we have settled it, Millards, and we have filed a joint.
My lord. The prayer is this, my lord. My client is coming, my lord. She is stuck in the traffic, my lord.
Consider, Mr. Manoj Mishra.
Yes, my lord.
The agreement is there.
Yes, my lord.
Visitation right once in 3 months for 3 hours and not come with Musselman for 4.
Why it is there, my lord?
No, it's not in the interest of the child. It's not about winning a case, please.
Saying, my lord. I'm
Child will not have wholesome
Yes, my
development.
lord. We are fully agreeable, but
Even if you agree,
Let it
we
be
don't have
once
to
in a
put
month, at
imprimenter
least
of this.
yes, my lord, I'm agreeable, but you
To say that he will not come with Musselman, what kind of thing are you doing to a child? I mean, you fight till eternity.
Page 20, you lord.
He comes with a Musselman.
Only to page 20.
3 months, once in
I
3
agree
months.
to
How
everything.
I'm ready for that.
To do, Millards,
That's
I have
why my client is coming.
Lordship may see one thing.
Page
What
20,
to do?
Lordship, just see
Millards,
page
the-
20. 20. Page 20. Why this has occurred?
out.
Lord? Why this has occurred? Page 20.
Right, even if
Sec-
they
sec-
are having an ego battle, you must advise them.
Well, I have advised my lord. That's
Come
why.
at 12 o'clock, advise and come. We will
Yes,
do
my lord.
something.
She is coming at Lordship may take up at 12 o'clock, my lord. It is agreed by the first party that the venue of Miti Kumar will be the bring with the third party stranger, muscleman, weapon. Only the one additional family members, my lord. What happened? Every time they create a scene, and I'm not coming on the way.
Child.
I'm not coming, my lord. I will advise my client. She is coming, my lord. Lordship may take up at 12 o'clock. She is coming.
Agreement, we won't have to put the imprimatur.
Yes, my lord.
We'll say that this is opposed to public policy. You better advise her.
Yes, my lord. I will advise, my lord. At 12 o'clock, your lordship may take up. She is here.
Lordship, do one thing. Millards, whatever your lordship, Millards, deem fit, Lordship may, Millards,
Will long, father will long, nobody will be benefited. Only visitation, a phone call, give something. You are having the.
I'm ready, my lord. We have cooperated every time, my lord. Every time, my lord. They are actually, my lord, why this class was put?
That para, once in 3 months, 3 hours, no Musselman, no gun.
No gun and no
Read
stranger.
that. Read which page is that?
Page 20, my lord. Page 20, just we application filed, my lord.
Stop E.
Para CE, E for England, my lord. England, last 3 lines, it is at the top of the page 20, my lord. Why this clause was put, my lord? Because of so many problems were created by them, my lord. Even, my lord, lordship may just
today he should not say all this, Millards. I am paying also. Leave everything.
explaining that why this clause was put up. I am not coming on the way, my lord.
Amount also, Millards, it's exorbitant.
I am not coming on the way, my lord. I am fully agreeable. I am not coming.
I am leaving.
Why this clause was?
Say one thing,
My
Millards.
lord, there was.
I am leaving to your lordships, Millards. I am leaving to your lordships, Millards. Lordship.
That's why.
What is he doing?
My lord, actually,
Millards, I am handicapped. There is a record.
Please allow me. My lord, he is a businessman.
Why, what is the background of this clause?
Yes, my background of this clause, my lord. Every time, my lord, whenever he is coming with the gun, he is coming with the muscle. Allow me. That's why you agreed for
Say all this.
my lord.
Proof of
Today,
it.
today because of honorable court, my lord, he is saying that
It because I have to get it out.
He agreed everything. My learned friend, whatever is saying, my lord, I will place everything on record. Everything on record, my lord. Because of traffic.
You rework that clause.
Yes, my lord. Which clause, my lord?
This clause,
That Musselman clause.
visitation right clause. It can't be once in 3 months. It has to be on a more frequent period.
I am leaving to your lordship, my lord. Whatever your lordship.
Both of us.
She is coming at 12 o'clock, my lord.
Sit together and sort out.
We have, Millards. We have.
That's why we have solved it, my lord.
We'll record joint statement.
Joint statement will record on
Because this
visitation.
is, you see,
Give telephone call daily, give weekly once, and then sort it out so that the child has wholesome development.
Yes, my lord, we have no problem at all, my lord, because of their past conduct, my lord. Even with a gun, with musclemans, he was coming and,
Don't believe all that the clients are saying. We have all had
no,
clients.
my lord,
We have to do it. We have done this.
was on record. That's why we have agreed on this, my lord. He's coming, my lord, at 12 o'clock.
We go by the cab rank rule, not that, whoever comes to me is an angel. Don't have that notion at all.
Yes, your lordship is right, my lord. I am not saying anything, my lord. But your lordship may take up at 12 o'clock, my lord.
He has
We
come
will-
first to you. If she has come first to him and he has come to you, it's a different story. That's all. As simple as that.
My lord, at 12 o'clock, your lordship is taking it, my lord.
We were finalizing it, my lords. Of course, my lords,
Already enough.
we did not agree.
You just sit down and sort it out.
We take it first 12 o'clock or some.
It gives them more time to solve it.
Post lunch.
Yes, my lord.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Highly obliged.
Definitely wholesome development.
With great respect, Lordship, item 16, Lordship is a transfer petition on behalf of wife, Lordship here. We are seeking transfer of matrimonial proceeding, Lordship, divorce proceeding from Madhya Pradesh to Bihar, Lordship.
No counter.
Maharaj, I have instruction that we are in the process to settle the matter. Maharaj, I am seeking some time for that.
Lordship, we have no
Go
instruction.
for mediation.
Lordship,
Mediation has
it's
failed.
only- Lordship, girls is want to ready with live with the husband, but Lordship, he is not ready.
Maharaj,
He's saying then again send to the mediation center, Lordship.
yes, Maharaj. Maharaj,
Also-
may grant me rights for
also-
appearing online.
Yes. As per mediation report, mediation has failed, but learned counsel for the respondent submits that there are every chances of amicable settlement between the parties. In view of the above, let the parties again initiate the process of mediation to the Supreme Court Mediation Center. And for that, they shall appear before the same mediator.
Hello.
Same mediator on, because he will better understand.
Yes.
Yes.
Once he has interacted with you on 27th February.
Lordship, it's a physical.
75.
It's a physical meeting.
Maharaj,
Whatever you
VC,
decide.
VC would
If you want to appear,
Lordship, it will be better than the parties may be called physically, Lordship, because the earlier this was through.
Better.
on the first date, the parties shall appear before the mediator physically, and thereafter either virtually or physically as directed by the mediator.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Post it on 4th May along with mediation report.
Lordship, some expenses may be ordered, Lordship. She is not doing anything, Lordship. She's unemployed, Lordship.
125 application that is
Pending, no, there is no order.
As and when the petitioner is required to appear physically before the meeting.
What are you doing?
She's a housewife, Lordship.
Maharaj, she's a teacher, Maharaj. This is and
What are you
she's
doing?
Maharaj, I am an accountant. I'm working with the Tata Motors.
What are you doing?
Mood maintenance.
Yes, no, Lordship, there is no order of maintenance.
They have filed a
Child is there?
125
Yes,
application.
Lordship.
Child is there?
No, there is no child, Lordship.
10,000 is there.
Also, as in, physically before the mediator, the respondent shall pay a sum of rupees 10,000 to the petitioner, 10,000 per hearing, public per
My lord,
appearance.
yes, if I may just point out, my lord, he's earning only 40,000 rupees, my lord, per month.
10,000 once, whenever she appears, not per month. Whenever she appears physically before the mediator, you will pay.
My lord,
Only once appears, you will pay once only.
I understand, my lords may grant me some time, I'll seek instructions to that effect, my lords.
It's our order.
My lords, he's earning only
It's not-
40,000.
It's not a consent order.
Tata Motor, you said.
Sorry, my lord.
Home must be 40 after all deduction. Take it from me.
Yes.
Great.
Complete है ना sentence?
For dissolution of marriage filed by the husband from Principal Judge, Family Court, Bahadurgarh to
Bahadurgarh to Agra.
Yes, your lordships.
Any other proceeding pending in Agra?
No, but it's another.
Only proceeding.
Well, it's another proceeding under DV Act has been filed by the mother-in-law of the petitioner, and it is connected matter listed before your lordships today. 17.1.
The other matter is also at
Bahadurgarh. Bahadurgarh.
Lordship, just look at the grounds. Just wondering. The petition filed by the mother-in-law under DV Act in Bahadurgarh, and the ground they are seeking for transfer, Lordship, just they are very important, Lordship. Just see that grounds.
So it's an offshoot of the dispute between the husband and wife.
Grounds only against husband.
should have settled it instead of.
We should have settled it. That's the that would have been better, no doubt.
Mediation has failed. My lords,
Mediation has failed.
Another round of mediation can take place in the transferee court.
Yes,
Here only you come. Senior
transfer petition allowed both.
But there is no child, nothing. They can. Her brother is here in Delhi.
All the more a good reason that you should have settled and parted.
We should have
ways.
settled. That's no doubt, bro. That's fair.
Yes.
Grateful to you.
10 not before. That's why I was wondering what. Then I can't hear.
10 not before. लिखा है ये. You have already.
Already. So that you don't read it.
Yes, yes.
One more final hearing is there.
But 2 weeks before a bench in which one of us, brother का नाम लिख के, is not a member.
Much appreciated.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
Well, this is a matter pertains to acquisition of land for the purpose of refinery in 2007. Some basic facts, I'll just pass on one piece of paper. Malad.
They claim 7 lakhs, but the court has granted 10 lakhs.
Court has granted 10
That's
lakhs.
the only ground.
Two things which the High Court has done.
That we have a judgment.
That
it will be a fair compensation, not that what they are seeking,
but
what they are entitled for.
I'll deal with that. 2-3 things which I want to point out on this. The total land which was acquired was 14 hectares. This was owned by 110 people on this. I'll just give the details. These are relevant. Just pass on. Do a copy.
आपको टाइम थोड़ा नीचे है स्ट्रेट करने में आपका
Piece of paper for a minute, Malaz. Total land acquired was 14 point some odd hectares. This was owned by 110 people. 101, they have what the reference court gave. They have taken money, gone home.
Total land mentioned?
Total land is on the third line. I'll just read this note. It is pertinent to note that the state government, on the request of the BPCL, issued a notification under section 4 of the land.
15.2176.
Yes. 142176 hectares of land. Well, let's kindly note this was owned by 110 people. 101, they have the reference court, whatever awarded, they had taken and satisfied. Further, it is pertinent to state that the 9 respondent in the present SLP holds about 1.38 hectares, which is 9.7% of the total land. That is under the contention today, Malas. How the land initially was allocation was made was,
Others are not aggrieved.
others are not aggrieved.
Out of 100 and
110 Malas.
110, only 9.
9 are aggrieved. Now, land was categorized in 4 categories at the time of acquisition. The categories are given. Malas. Category 1, dry land having the road frontage. Category 2, garden land. Category 3, dry land having access to pathway. Category 4 is the without any access. And the price, my lords, can see as per the per RA. The unit is not acre, my lords, RA. And it has got some conversion factor to it. The reference quote enhanced to the figures which are given. What is paid is in the High Court is 7,41,000 for all. High Court has awarded 10.
Bar.
All
that is required is we have to assess the correct market value.
Absolutely. Yes, yes.
And if necessary, additional court fee will have to be paid.
That is a matter of fact has been subsequently paid. That's no issue on that part, Manas. 2 things I want to point. And just to complete this, the lower half of the table, these were the comparable sale deeds which were considered. And if my lords may see on the extreme right, these were picked up from the which category they belongs to. A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. Now, for all, the price per RA is also given. What the High Court has done is, and I'll come to the reference court order, what the High Court has done is, High Court has done 2 things, Malas.
What is the date of acquisition? 2007.
2007, Malas. 20th September 27. High Court says that all these sample A5, A6, A7, 8 has not been considered by reference court. That's factually wrong. 2, the method of categorization or belting done at the time acquisition is wrong. 3, blanket that I go by A9, which is giving the land, the price per RA is 10,17,441, the last one, serial number 5, which is exhibit number A9. And therefore, I apply 10 lakh. That's the basis or reason which has been given. Now, second, the
closest to the acquisition also.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
1 month before the acquisition.
Yes,
2 months.
All these are also the close one. These are not very different.
No, this is
1 month before
this
4
is
1.
August, acquisition is September.
I think 2 months, my lord. The other one, A5 they have relied upon was 6 months prior.
A9 is 1 month, Mr.
is
Chali.
20th
Yes.
August.
Yes, it is 20th August
And
20.
your acquisition is
yes,
September, closest.
Yes, this is the, in that way, it's closest. I don't deny that part. The first is that the High Court has appointed a court commissioner. Court commissioner gave a report and gave a reason which were considered by reference court that the why the certain roads have been, certain lands have been.
It is not exorbitant.
Exorbitant. How much? Any deductions? Development charge deduction?
No, Malaj,
Because your refineries, what are you going to keep?
it's for refinery.
So no development.
Yes,
Health and principle.
Plus, kindly see the land which A9, which has been considered based on which this it has been awarded is. This document is available at page 58. This was fully ready commercial land for construction of apartments.
Which document? A9.
A9, because that's the basis, Malaj. Page 58. It starts from page 58. Malaj can take it that 58 is the one which has been considered. And the relevant part which I want to read in terms of what was the nature of the land which was there. Page,
Annexure.
I'm sorry. Annexure A, P1, Malaj.
You see, it is 10 lakh per RA.
Per RA. Yes.
And the total affected area is 1.38 hectares.
Yes.
How much it will be in RA?
RA would be, I'll just give you. Just pass on this.
40 RAs is 1 hectare.
Conversion factor, Malaj. Just
So how much? 3 RA, 4 RA, what?
Yes.
Lord,
It is
So,
air
2.47 cents, my lord.
Add,
You
okay.
can understand.
One is equal to 138. If we see, acre is 100 cent. The table which I have.
Just tell me.
acre to hectare you have to
Acre to hectare.
100 RA is equal to 1 hectare.
RA
Is 1 hectare.
Yes.
So this is how many hectare? 1.38.
1.38.
I think it's not a.
Well, the issue is I would have certainly told them that not to go ahead. The issue is because the all other are which are closed, they are sitting on the fence and subsequent.
Actually, 28A principle will apply for.
Well, and therefore that's the reason I want to justify that this is not right, for the reason because court appointed a commissioner. Commissioner physically verified this land. It was identified in these terms of categorization which have been done. This court has held that the
difference is 3 lakhs per RA.
Yes, difference is 3 lakhs per RA, which is there.
That means that means 3 crore only. For 100 RA.
No, it has to be multiplied into 9 malas because there are 9 the petitioners who are there. 9 land.
It is
Total extent.
total extent is 1.38.
No, 14 hectares.
For 9.
Yes, this is
No, total extent is 14.
14
For these 9 respondents,
Only 1.38.
Only 1.38.
1.38 is equal to be. Let's kindly see 2 things now.
Reality is there. That means if your exhibit A9 has fully developed lands.
Yes.
And it is proximate.
Yes.
These lands have potentiality.
Potentiality can be one argument. I don't deny that part. So far as the land.
Not BPCL, Mr. Balbisi.
Yes.
The issue is that
all Maharatnas and Navaratnas, you have to pay when people take land.
Today they have been paid the rate which they asked for, where others have been granted.
Market value.
Market value also
Value. That's what I'm saying. Kindly see the comparable, which is A9. Kindly see A9 annexed to P1 for
This is going on since 2007-8. The value in
Kindly see
2007-8, now the present value will be at least 4
100
times.
hours is one
Today
hectare.
as a matter of fact, this refinery is being set up. It's the expansion has been carried out. I don't deny that part.
You are in
Question
Pakistan
is-
and
Hereafter, it is all for you only. All OPEX, CAPEX over. Hereafter,
Yes, yes.
full
Massive
marketing,
expansion also.
marketing.
Well, any infrastructure project
Exploiting
which
the
is
full
going to come is going to
potential.
come, Melissa.
Full potential for you,
Yeah.
money for them.
No, the potentiality has been taken into account, but the comparable taken is wrong. That's my respectful submission. Because if we see the other one,
Brother correctly put it. It's a fair compensation and it's not exorbitant. And ultimately, they ask for 770. You got a sale deed for 1017. 10
I
has
point
been
out one
given.
770, my lord, we are
the
confined that
kindly-
claim. Actually, 5 lakhs per cent we claim. We said that we are unable to pay the court fee. So that's what it is.
I think I can clarify. 5 lakh was claimed in the beginning itself in the first round, where there was no question of a stamp duty which has been there.
Just imagine, they are all holding this much.
Yes.
If they claim they have to pay court fee. So they say, we can't pay court fee. We will now confine to this. Very often they say,
Yes.
if it is increased, we will make good the deficit
Yes.
court.
That's it.
Because
Simply.
Yes. No, kindly see one thing, Melissa, page 62 for a minute. Kindly see page 62. I can understand, Melissa,
Correct.
because
We are on
kindly page 62,
Yes, page.
page 62, Melissa, which is part of the A9, which is the comparable sale deed which has been taken, based on which the 10 crores has been awarded,
Yes,
10
yes.
lakh has been
10
awarded.
lakh has been-
First line from the top. Vendor shall at all times indemnify and keep the purchaser indemnified against all claims, debts, so and so interest. Third line, Melissa. In the present contains proving or found to be incorrect and incomplete is not performed observed by vendors, if any right, privilege, and so and so, so and so. 8. Further can be constructed to the said property without conversion of user land. This
Means already NA permission given and not constructed could be constructed.
yes, no, this is
That means
comparable.
the potential. That means
No, no,
the
it's a change of land use
Joining
which was
land has
granted in those
potential.
cases.
Yes.
No, this was a change of land use granted in those cases. They can't be compared the land which can't be constructed.
property is not a low-lying land and is not cultivated.
Correct. So this is, whereas all these are low line wetlands where no
Not
construction.
low-lying.
No,
not
I'm
a
sorry,
low line.
this is comparable. I'm saying this is exemplar, not applicable to this case. That's my case. This is not the concerned sale deed. Now kindly see the finding of the court commissioner regarding this land, Melissa. How can this be compared where the change of land use already been given? A land which is ready for construction for the commercial purposes, whereas the wetland which has been acquired for the refinery purposes, which is where there is no pathway to road to that.
And they were grown crops, etc. Which one? There is not a wetland. No, this is not wetland. This is a wetland.
Acquired land is.
Which means agriculture is source of livelihood gone. Wetland means.
All of the even if we look at the source, that's not a claim even made by them. This is not for use for any agriculture purposes. They have been stating this. There is an affidavit file. I can read that affidavit. Kindly see that the finding given by the LAC court so far as this particular land is concerned, page 144. Description of this particular land in question today is at page 144. And then the court commissioner's report has been considered. 144, para 22. Only two paras I'll read. I'm completely conscious, and my intention is certainly not that what is the market rate, they should get it. I'm not for a minute suggesting. But at the same time, it should not be compared something with the land actually is not a matter of fact, not comparable. Para 22. Para 22 and 23, two paras I'll read. That'll make it clear. Para 22, the entire property is covered by the notification was divided into 4 categories of the land acquisition. Officer, category 1, I've already given that, I'll not get into it. Middle of the page says the High Court directed Special Tehsildar to conduct the site inspection. Now, what is the outcome of the inspection is para 23 on next page. That is going to be relevant. Para 23, the Advocate Commissioner filed Exhibit A3 report before the High Court was examined as AW5. According to the Commissioner, he inspected the property in survey number 23445 and 23414 of the so-and-so village and identified these properties with the assistance of the village officer. In the report is further stated that the Tehsildar, Revenue Inspector and Village Assistant were also present at the time of inspection. The Commissioner report is appended with the rough plan, and from the report and a plan it can be seen that the means of access through the pathway have a width of 1.15 meters available to both the properties. The properties so inspected by the Commissioner, which are comprised in survey number so and so, are the subject matter of reference in both the cases. The Advocate Commissioner who filed Exhibit C1 report has also stated that the property is provided with the means of access from so and so road.
There's means of access.
There's a pathway which is there. Now, after comparing all this, kindly see the A9 which has been picked up, how it was compared in the reference code. Page 149, page 147, para 32. After examining all the lands, why the reliance on A9 was discarded. Para 32 on 147. Relying on A8 and A9, the learned counsel for the claimant vehemently argued that land value shall be fixed on the basis of said document. But on going through the Commissioner report itself, it can be seen that both the said properties are having the advantage of the direct access to tar road, the comparables. Admittedly, the means of access to the acquired land is only pathway, which is not at all sufficient to take a four-wheeler or heavy vehicle. So naturally, they cannot be. Yes.
He adopted the belting system.
Yes.
He adopted the belting system.
Yes.
Westco.
Yes.
Belting system was done away with saying 4.
KYC अपडेट के लिए अनजान लिंक खोलना मतलब चोरों के लिए अपना दरवाजा खोलना। रुको, चेक किया लिंक सिक्योर है, सेंडर आपका बैंक है। फर्जी KYC अपडेट, लिंक से बचिए।
झूठी जल्दबाजी में ना फंसिए।
RBI कहता है
जानकार बनिए, सतर्क रहिए।
There are two judgments which are there. The land which has been allocated for one purpose, which is to be used, which is, let's say, for the CLU has been done, it's to use for a construction purpose. Belting can't be applied in those cases.
That is why what you are reading now is part of the order of the reference code.
If you come to page 147, para 30.
Yes, 31.
A9 is reference.
Yes.
That's a finding.
Certified copy of the sale deed.
Yes.
By which an extent of 87.70 arrays of land was sold for a consideration, and that is how they come to 10,09,000.
Yes.
How they.
Next paragraph, para 31.
Yes,
31.
Last 5 lines. Commissioner has further stated that the property is covered by A5 to A9 situated at a lower level of 15, 20 feet than the adjacent level. The commission has further stated that the property covered by A9 cell lead and the acquired property involved in the present case are comparable to each other.
Well, for the comparability benefit, para 37 gave the
This is-
advantage of
this is
30%.
what commissioner says.
Yes, only 30, para 37 and 149, 30%.
What is the perversity?
But 30% is enhanced based on this para 37, page 1.
1,000 is deducted, 10 lakh round is given.
No, 10 lakh round it is given.
Well, and if my lords kindly see, once as a matter of fact, after preparing maps and tables, it is found that there is only access is a pathway.
It may not be 10 lakhs, maybe 9,80,000 or 9.75 or BPCL for 25,000 or
I'll humbly submit
The expansion project.
See from that point of
Huge
view.
expansion.
having heard and counsel for the party.
And all petroleum residue is converted, Milo.
We are not inclined to entertain.
May I request only lastly?
The SLP is dismissed.
It should not be because the otherwise we
Therefore, we are not passing a reasoned order. You see, we discussed it.
So all I'm
Discussed it. I asked my brother whether we should pass a reasoned order or a simple dismissal.
because I only one
Because
request.
if pass a reasoned order, then you will be in more difficulty.
That's the reason. I'm saying please at least state that this is in the facts of this case, Manoj. If anybody has got a claim, they have to claim that
Having
aspect.
heard and counsel for the parties and in the facts and circumstances of the case, we are not inclined to entertain this SLP according to the SLP.
Deeply obliged.
Well, at least this should not apply to any other case, Manoj.
You can't say that.
Yeah, that may not be correct.
28 capital A.
If it is comparable, that it will apply.
Recently, we have given Banwari judgment.
So I'm conscious. The issue is only that 2007 acquisition today, assuming for a minute that then the project become unviable. If that is otherwise, I don't think the state at that point in time would have been gone for this to acquire this land at that point in time.
Next.
Very well.
I rejoinder is ready, my lord. It would be filed during the course of the day.
Issues of maintainability, rejoinder apart, they have to show how the it is maintainable. There is
That will have to be argued, man. That will have to be argued.
West Bengal.
Yes, ma'am, that was argued on the first day. Thereafter, notice was issued.
They'll have to justify, my lord, how an agency can be weaponized like this.
No, agency is not weaponized. I'm sorry.
Rejoinder was not filed.
Agency has been
It will be
terrorized.
filed during the course of the day. But it will be filed.
It's violation of
There-
the enforcement directorate, my lord. So
Here, if they have filed it today, we
No,
have
but
not
I'll
gone
not,
through.
I will also address on great constitutional principles with little understanding I have, but kindly have it on some other day.
After Holi
Let my
or
rejoinder be on that.
After Holi. After Holi.
Then after Holi, my lord.
when you want.
Because
After Holi.
Sibal, Dr. Singhvi, everybody with their limited understanding tried to persuade your lordships on 32. But
No,
still
but
notice
let my,
was-
I think my learned friend is a little harsh in saying limited understanding of the council,
let it-
lord.
let it-
not aware, but what I'm saying.
let him not say that, not because of the word limited understanding, which may be justified,
He's trying.
but for the reason that your lordships recorded my submission in the order, saying maintainability will be fully open. That my learned friend is forgotten.
True, my lord, that is.
His instructing counsel should have told him that.
understanding enforcement
hear
directorate's
you.
fundamental rights are violated.
Here, all of you.
Yes, my lord, please do that, please do that.
What is that?
I must say, my comment was not addressed to Dr. Singhvi.
No, it was.
He knows that, my lord. There is
Whenever
no
such
doubt.
No, it may be entirely justified, Wallace. I am saying it's entirely justified.
Such comment is for all, including the bench also.
No, lord. Lord, I can take exemption. I was not there at the time.
Yes. 20?
But now, no notice, lord, no notice.
No,
What is that?
my lord, it's a PR
Lord, a very questionable character who's come.
a filer who's been multiple
Here-
times disallowed.
Questionable.
PILs in multiple occasions, who's a busybody.
We'll keep it together.
26.
We are not doing anything in that.
Please take it on that day, Wallace. Please take it on that.
Busybody, my lord.
Take it on that.
Rejoinder has been filed.
Not
Not filed.
Filed, lord.
Filed during the course of the day.
Learned SG would submit that
Of course, service.
that the rejoinder is likely to be filed today.
Yes, during the
That
course.
likely
Lord. Very true,
Likely.
lord.
likely to be filed today. Post the matter on, yes, tell us the agreed date.
much, my lords, after the holiday.
Whatever, my lord, she
After Holi.
finds it convenient. Rest of us will adjust, my lord.
After Holi, my lord.
Before Holi or after Holi?
After Holi.
Rest of us will adjust.
After Holi, my lord. After Holi.
The arguments it seems, my lord.
After Holi.
After Holi.
After Holi suits you.
After Holi, yes.
We'll adjust, my lord, all Mr.
My lord,
Dr.
the
Singhvi,
light
all
will
will
taken up, light,
Colorful after Holi.
my lord, my lord, just likely to be taken up, should not be taken up lightly by the learned Solicitor General.
19th is a Thursday. 19th is a Thursday.
We know nobody is taking.
Nobody takes anything lightly, therefore we are here. We don't take things lightly, therefore we are
10th
here.
March. 10th March, Tuesday.
Please, Your Lordship.
19th was.
My lords, would your
Lord,
lordship
would-
consider
11th,
19th, my lords?
11th March.
Yeah, my lord, my lord.
11th March.
My lords
12th
consider
12th, my lord.
19th.
Any.
February.
19th
No, no, no.
March.
Yes.
I have no difficulty, my lord, I am free.
Very well.
19th.
Very well.
19th is a Thursday.
Yes.
Yes.
It should be on 17th, Tuesday, so that
And don't have it on Tuesday, have it on a Wednesday, Thursday, like today. But Tuesdays will be a little,
Wednesday our regular roster is affected.
because your lordship knows on Tuesday somehow. Any Wednesday, Thursday, your lordship like.
Tuesdays are, my lord, I joined my learned friend. Tuesdays become unmanageable, my lord, for
Actually, when
everyone.
this final disposal
The
concept,
lists are also long and, my lord, it is
We under-
really
We
difficult for.
understand it is unmanageable. When it is too
19th
much, it is unmanageable.
No, my lord, to reach everyone, everywhere by the lawyer season.
That's very true.
it was
Very true.
19th or what was the
Eh,
next week, 25th,
Then
26th,
18th March.
18th.
18th March.
Right.
If you
Very well.
continue, it is
Very well.
spills over, we'll have 19th.
Very well.
also.
Very well.
Yes.
Maintainability is very.
Yes.
Grateful, my lords.
Yeah, but you.
20th will be along with.
You adopt a submission. What
26th
maintainability
along
then?
with. 26 will be heard along with.
19.
18.
18, 19.
See, item number 26 shall be heard along with.
Item 13, lordship had asked for my presence in.
My lords,
Are you-
my lords, there's a
One
bereavement
minute,
in,
Which is called out as a letter circulated because of Mr. But unfortunately,
18 कौन सा है?
but the letter is not on record. There's a bereavement in the family of.
18? 18 देना जरा.
I have not appeared in 18, no?
Not.
No, no. Probably heard it sometime.
Just check.
Your lordships had passed the order in the
Your
matter.
lordships have.
Hearings back.
This is Government Lord and passed the order. This very matter.
So, your
But it is
lordships, we were to
some
file,
IA is posted.
yes, so we were to file an response to this IA.
Bereavement.
Oh.
State. As unions reply, I was going to say in the course of the day, but your lordship may say likely to be filed, learning from what happened in the
In
previous
every
one.
case, we'll say likely.
Please, my lords. So we'll file it today, my lords.
Only union can afford to say that.
Feeling is always likely.
But first week after Holy Week.
As paid, 4 weeks' time is allowed to learned ESG for filing counter to IA number so and so.
Please, my lords. We'll give the
जो
number.
IA post है ना? Post the matter
500.
on 24th March,
Lordships.
Maharaj, item 13, lordships had called for me.
item 30.
Tuesday, could it be 25th?
Is your,
Wednesday, Lord?
is your opponent here?
But instead of
Maharaj,
Tuesday, Wednesday,
I'm,
25th.
I just saw the ticket. It's a
Wednesday.
fresh
My
matter.
lords, can it be a week thereafter?
25th.
It's a contempt matter, lordship.
25th, thereafter long vacation.
My lords, can it be a week thereafter?
24th is fine, Lord.
Mr. Amit Anand Tiwari's. My lords, it could be a week thereafter, in April.
Given
something.
a longer day.
Yes, lordship may have it along. March.
More than a month because of that only.
March, 25th March. No, sir, it's in March. That's fine. I see. Would your lordship consider having it? My lords,
First
week there,
of April, my lord.
week thereafter, my lords.
ठीक है, we have no difficulty.
Mr. Natkani.
हाँ, yes, 7th April. Let it
Very
be.
well. Grateful, my lords, grateful.
Asked for me, Maharaj. There was a contempt matter against the PF,
Kenila.
PFO. I saw that there was a ticker.
Password, call password.
Maharaj, are not taking up item 13?
No, no, immediately it will come. It's in password.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Wait for 2 minutes.
But I'm not marked on it, my lord. I'm just present because lordship had asked me in presence.
Uh-huh.
No, there is an order directing service on you.
Oh, I didn't
You
know.
wait for 2 minutes.
We will give you all that.
Item 9.
You are in a hurry, it means to go into some other court.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
This is an after notice matter.
It is not filed.
Counter has been filed, your lordship. I have received copy of the counter.
What do they say?
Your Lordship, in the counter, they said that petitioner number 2 was the one who was making the video. What my respectful submission is, Your Lordship, when your Lordship was pleased to issue notice, I pointed out that this submission is wrong, that
Case number 2 is mother-in-law.
no, Your Lordship, brother-in-law, yes.
Law.
Brother-in-law, Your Lordship.
One is
Mother-in-law.
father-in-law.
One is father-in-law, he's 68 years old. Now, Your Lordship, when this honorable court was pleased to issue notice, I pointed out this fact that this is just a submission that he was making video. Now, even when the counter has been filed, a bare statement has
No,
been.
we wanted to sue the dying declaration.
Yes.
Because you were not having that dying
Yes,
declaration.
because it is an
at that time.
anticipatory bill. That has
Yes.
not been produced, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship, I've asked for the dying declaration. They have not given it to me yet. And with regarding that video recording, the alleged video recording, it has been recorded by petitioner number 2, who's absconding. So they are not even able to recover that.
Your Lordship, this is what my respectful submission, that the submission made by
But
the.
the counter also is not on record.
Your Lordship, it's on record. We filed it.
Counter is in the additional diary.
You need a lot of copies.
वो दिया था
तो ट्राइपॉड ने दिया है खुद में
But we can take it next week on Monday.
I have not taken out copy from me. वो आज आपके साथ है ना, so they are relying on you that you.
No, they have uploaded. They have uploaded.
Let counter be placed on record. Let counter filed by the respondent. Only one, respond number 1,
Yes, Your Lordship.
be placed on record. What about number 2?
No one has entered appearance. There's no number 2.
There's only one
There's
petition.
only one
One respondent, Your. The other respondent were, Your Lordship,
They
the
are formal.
co-accused, Your Lordship. Your Lordship has not issued notice to them.
Force the matter on Wednesday. करते हैं.
I'm.
Meanwhile, I'll file the dying declaration also, Your Lordship.
Place it on record. Only for that we had issued notice without granting interim relief.
Yes, Your
Please,
Lordship.
Your Lordship. Obliged.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Interim relief is still to them. So kindly be extended.
That 12 and 13.
Interim order.
12 and 13 में interim order to continue in that date of hearing. Yes.
Obliged.
Malaj, I've seen the order directing for it to be served on me. I haven't got a copy, Malaj. I'll now take service. I'll take instructions.
Mr. Vikram is the counsel,
Additional service.
then at ASG, appearing appearing for the respondent
Yes.
pursuant to our order dated 19/1/2026 is allowed 2 weeks time to seek instruction.
Yes. Obliged.
Matter, you have received copy now?
It's the soft copies are available, Malaj. So we.
Post the matter
That's how I.
on what date?
Need it.
23rd March.
I don't.
Date?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Keep saying it.
Accommodation as the main counsel is
21? You want time?
Right.
2.63 crores as paid post after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lord, there are two special leave petitions. That is, Lord, special leave petition number 1001 of 2018.
Use the mic, Mr. Yadav.
Mike, use mic.
And second SLP is 10532 of 2018. But the first SLP arises out of an order by the trial court where the preliminary issue was decided in my favor, holding that the trial court has a jurisdiction, against which the respondent municipal corporation filed
3 SLPs.
2 SLPs, only 2.
No, 19.1 and 19.2.
Which is the connected? It's not mine. I have to. It's not. It's not mine.
Huh? The diary number is contempt petition.